drip, drip, drop. Said she like my drip, drop. Shorty said she like my drip, drip, drop. Said she like my drip, drip. Tell me where you wanna go. We can take a trip. Baby, tell me.
Hey, what's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Jumping right into this tutorial. The eyebrows are already slayed, and we are going right into our Morphe 35R palette to create this look. So let's get to it. Going in with our first shade, this is going to be our transitioning shade. We're going to use those three colors, the dark brown, the light brown, and that tan color. Going right in with that tan color, popping that right above and below our brows and above the crease of our eye. Just going to pack that tan color right in over top the lid. Adding more color for more depth. We want to create and make this look pop. So we're adding more color of that transitioning tan shade. Going right to the opposite eye, doing the same exact thing. Just giving that a little buff and making sure this color is blended in. Packing more color to add more depth once again, because we want to make this look really stand out. Alright, next we're going in with a light color, and this is for our brow bone. We want that brow bone to pop, so we're adding a shimmery shade to the brow bone. I'm just going to drag that color down to meet that transitioning shade. And then in a few, we're just going to take a fluffy brush and blend it together. Doing the same exact thing to the opposite eye. Just putting that brow bone color, laying that brow bone color down to make it pop. Going back into that transitioning shade, we're going to fade out that brown bone color and make both colors seamlessly meet together. And this is a fun eye, just have fun with makeup, guys. Just be creative and try to do your best at creating the best that you can come up with. No way is the wrong way. Going in next with this darker brown shade, we're popping that right into our crease and adding more depth and dimension to our eyes. We're just going to buff that color right in. Just adding a little bit more of that brown, because we are not satisfied with one layer. We have to add a second layer to give it a more deeper look. Doing the same exact thing to the opposite eye, popping that brown right there in our crease, buffing it out and blending it out, trying to create a seamless look, having all these colors graduate down into each other, fading without any lines of demarcation. And we're going back in and just popping some more of that brown into our crease to create a more deeper eye socket. And just blending everything out. Going right in with that fluffy brush, we're going to blend the tail ends, or just the ends of that brown and that transitioning shade, the tan color. We're buffing both of those lines together. Now right here, we're taking a smaller brush that can fit right into our crease, gives us more definition to the crease. We're just adding more of that darker brown in there, focusing right there on the crease. And then we're taking this fluffy brush and we're blending any harsh lines that we have on our eyelid. We want to blend those out. Doing the same exact thing, of course, to the opposite eye with that tighter brush. We're going right into the crease and setting that brown right into the eye socket. Then we're gonna blend everything out with that fluffy brush so you don't have any harsh lines. Loving the way this is looking so far. Next, we're going to go into this gunmetal type color. Has a little undershade of gold to it. It's like a shimmery shade. We're popping that right over our mobile lid, and we're just buffing that into that brown. Making sure we have an even coat. Adding more to the mobile lid. We want this look to pop, so we have to add a little bit more color so it can stand out. Just adding more of that color right there over that mobile lid to make sure we have enough so it can just create a nice shimmery shade to the mobile lid. And then we're taking that tight knit brush and we're going right back into that eye socket and into the corner, and we're just adding more of that darker brown right into the eye socket. Doing the same exact thing to the opposite side and adding that darker brown with that tighter knit or tighter fit brush for the eye socket, going right back into that brown and popping it right into the crease. Going into this Morphe, this is the 35 OM palette, I do believe, and I'm going in with that darker black. This black does have glitter flakes in it, so I'm popping that on the outer corners, the outer V of our eye. And I'm also going to use that matte black that's right next to it in this palette to add more definition. Just smoking out that tail end of this eyeshadow. Creating the same effect on the opposite eye. It's going right into that glittery black. And then we're going to smoke it out with the matte black. Okay, now is the fun part. We're going in with this glitter primer, and I did get this glitter primer and this glitter from my local beauty supply store. The glitter is gingerbread sugar, it's called. Like a brownish type glitter. I'm going right in with this glitter glue, and I'm gonna just pop this right into the eye socket, the crease of the eye. And we're just gonna give the eye a nice little pop, adding some glitter right into our eye socket. So before the glue dries, I want to get a glitter brush and mist it with some water to help the glue adhere to the brush or stick to the brush. You don't have a lot of fallout. And we're going right in and laying that glitter over top of the glue primer we just laid down. Just going right in, creating basically a kind of a cut crease with the glitter. We're just placing that glitter right in the crease of our eye, doing the same thing with the glue. Just cutting that crease. Not the full eyelid, but just right in the eye socket. We're gonna lay this glitter. So you can see where I placed the glue. We're gonna lay the glitter right over top of the glue, just in the eye socket. And you kind of might want to move just a little quickly during this process because the glue does dry fairly quickly. So you want to move kind of quickly. Loving this look so far. What girl does not like glitter? Glitter makes everything nice, right? Okay, moving right along. We're going back into this light color. Actually, my camera died right here. That light color I did pop into my corners of the eye. So I'm showing you here, I already applied the eyelashes. I made a winged eye. and I set down the highlight. So I went in with this black opal setting loose powder, and now I'm setting the powder with two different powders, the black opal, and I'm going to also set it with the Aerospun, and that's in the color Warm Honey, just to give it a more brighter under eye. Setting that Cupid's bow, that way we don't have that 5 o'clock shadow or mustache up underneath our mouth, and setting the front portion of our brows. And don't forget about the forehead. Alright, next I'm going into with the contouring shade, and this is in the Ruby Kiss. The color is Ebony in our contouring shade, and we're adding that right to our cheekbones, down the sides of our nose, of course over our forehead to lessen the forehead. We don't want our forehead to be huge, so we're going to put that across our forehead to make it look and appear to be smaller. Chiseling out our cheekbones. I like to take this product and go right around the outlining of my chin. We're just contouring at this point. And do not forget the jawline. Alright, going in with our foundation color shade, and this is a powder foundation by LA Colors, and we're just using that to kind of dust off the powder and chisel out our cheekbones. I'm going around and I'm just dusting the powder away. I do not bake because I don't like for my eyes to have that you know, that cast to them, the powder cast, so I don't leave the powder on for long. I dust it quickly away. Once I get everything set and settled on my face, I just dust it right off. You want to make sure you get most of the powder off, because at this point, if you do not, you go and take pictures, you will have a flashback on the pictures. So we're going to use this setting spray to mist our face, and this will combat and help eliminate any of the powder residue that might have been left behind. So we're just popping the color on our cheeks to give it a nice rosy effect, adding more life back to our face from all the powder we did apply, adding some more characters back to our face, making our face look alive. We're going to go in with that black standard eyeliner pencil and just tight line our waterline. Also going in with this is the Colossal Volume mascara by Maybelline, and we're just adding some more flirtiness to this look by applying the mascara to the bottom lashes. And then we're just going to kick this look up just a little bit more, because I like to just be just a little extra. We're going to go in with this Revlon eye art, and this is the color Gold. This is the liquid gold glitter. We're just going to pop that into our waterline, or our tear ducts waterline. And of course, giving our face one more final spray. I'm going to add the highlighter. Now this is the Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette. And this is our glow kit. We're going to just glow, girls. At this point, you want to add some glow to the cheeks, to the button nose, over the Cupid's bow. And I like to just add a little bit over my brow bone. Look at that glow. It's one of my favorite parts of doing makeup. Better glow, girl. Alright, after all the glowing, we have to get these lips together. So we're going to go in with this standard dark brown pencil, and we're going to just tight line the lip line. just gonna go in with this metallic-y, shimmery lip gloss. And this lip gloss is by Colorwork. It's the Color Workshop lip gloss. It doesn't have the color or the shade on this lip gloss, but the lip gloss is by the Color Workshop. I'm giving those lips a nice little rub. Hope you guys are feeling this look. Hopefully you liked this tutorial, this easy beat. And if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also hit the like button. Go ahead and comment and leave a comment below. And hit the subscribe button. Also, to be notified, go ahead and hit that bell and you'll be notified of all the videos that I may post and upload in the near future. Thank you all for, coming along with me and doing this easy beat, and I appreciate it. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.